Lifetime Achievement Awards recognise the ability of the awardee to have actually made a significant change. A change in the way engineering or computing or mathematics is actually done in practice. It's a recognition of the capacity to actually lead change and leave a lasting legacy. And it's also a recognition of the way in which the person has influenced how things are done locally, nationally and internationally.
Well, I must say I'm overwhelmed to be selected for consideration in this award at the very least, and yet to actually receive it is just so touching, and it makes me feel so proud. But I'd have to say the journey is very much shared with my late wife, because we met in second year engineering, and stayed together all that time. So I think she'd feel pretty chuffed if she was here.
Ken Michael was chosen primarily because of the fact that he has demonstrated all of those things related to why the award exists incredibly well in a diverse range of fields.
Being a bridge engineer was pretty special to me, and remains so to this day, and having had the opportunity to design and construct bridges over a career has been, to me, a very rewarding experience.
His leadership of main roads, being Commissioner of Main Roads, changed the way engineering in main roads was actually done.
I know how hard Dad has worked, especially in the public service, and it was recognition of him being a public servant to be Governor of Western Australia. But one thing, as a father, he was always there for me. You know, family is always first for Dad, but always the community and the public service has always been a major part of his role.
Ken has had a significant impact on Western Australia and Western Australian life. I mean, starting most recently with his term as Governor, I think even judged by the high standards set by his forebears, Ken was a very, very active and involved governor. He was a people's governor.
He's been patron of a number of charities and a number of organisations, including the Fremantle Football Club, which I won't hold against him.
When I became chairman of Fremantle, Ken wouldn't have dared not follow Fremantle, and so it was only natural that when he became governor, he should become the patron and number one member. So yes, Ken, and of course he's now involved actively with charities involving ex-servicemen, and there's another dimension to Ken apart from his professional life.
Ken has been somewhat of a mentor for the Dean, for me, and has been very, very helpful and a very good sounding board for ideas.
For me, it's just a beautiful university, and I feel very privileged to have had the opportunity to have studied here, and even more so to have been on the Senate and then Pro-Chancellor and then Chancellor. I mean, to be involved in those positions which have an impact on the future of the university is for me a very proud initiative that I hopefully could add a little bit along the way that has made a difference.
Ken is very generous with his time to the university and has made a very great difference. And indeed, the university has recognised the work that Ken and his wife Julie have done for the university in naming the Ken and Julie Michael building.
Being proud of what the university has achieved in any case, not only in respect of a personal endeavours, but as a university, as a tertiary institution, and being able to make another contribution along the way, whatever form that may take, helps me to repay some of that value that became the foundation, if you like, of my career in going forward. And I'll continue to do so whenever called upon or whenever I think I can be of help in any way, and proud to do so.